This is the 2015 Top Tractor Shootout. Come on!
Alright, let's move.
I'm not programmed for TV.
Alright, done alright, done pretty well.
I'm a farmer, tractor driver.
You know, like, you're not allowed to say that, but you know what I mean? Like, yeah. Yeah, I know, and the mic's the one, relax.
Sorry, I just yelled in your ear.
That's fine.
I know what I know. Yeah, got it. Sweet, sorted now. But keep that in mind for the cracker.
Controls the transmission, engine speed, and electronical spool valves. Yeah.
Do they want to jump in there and turn the lights on and do all that sort of stuff? Or? Watch out, they got a whacking stick. All New Zealanders do.
It's a field day tradition.
There can only be one winner, and this year it is none other than the Massey Ferguson 7650.
Bonnet tapers in. No, scratch that. Bonnet doesn't taper in. The visibility on all 306. Wow.
Our first contender is a Class Arion 630 CIS. It offers 150 horsepower and has the intuitive class information system that controls the transmission, engine speed. No? Yeah, I know. I was gonna tie it up, but then I thought it's gonna look too different. I mean, it looks different already anyway.
It's gonna be amazing.